Affiliate marketing can be a great way to make money online, but it's not as simple as just putting up a website and waiting for the money to start rolling in. To be successful at affiliate marketing, you need to have several different skills, including good writing and SEO skills. That's why we look at 5 essential skills needed for affiliate marketing success today.
Skill, baby, skill.
If you're thinking about getting into affiliate marketing or already doing it but not seeing the result you want, this is the video for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what skills you need to focus on to start seeing some serious results. Hey there, aspiring affiliate marketer. If you want to get started in this lucrative and exciting field, you come to the right place. My name is Yogesh and I'm a successful affiliate marketer who's been in the business for years. In this channel, I focus on helping beginners learn the ropes and become successful too. So if you're interested in learning more about affiliate marketing and want to see some of my top tips and tricks, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for all the new notifications. I promise that you won't regret. So let's get started. Welcome back. If you're looking to make money online, affiliate marketing is a great way of doing it. But what about the set of skills you need to become a successful affiliate marketing? So let's go over to the first skill, which is writing skill. One of the most important skills needed for affiliate marketing is writing skill. As an affiliate marketer, you'll be responsible for creating content, promoting your merchant partner's product or services that you are affiliate for. This content can include blog posts, product review, email, newsletters, social media posts, and more. To be successful, you need to be able to write clearly and precisely to convince potential customers to make purchase. If you're not a strong writer, you can do few things to improve your skills. First, read as much as you can. The more you read, the better your writing will become. Second, practice writing every day, even if it's for just a few moments. The more you write, the easier it'll be to put your thoughts into the words. Finally, find a writing mentor who can give you feedback and help you improve your skill. With practice and time, you can develop strong writing skills, help you succeed as an affiliate marketer. Now, wait a second. There's another way to become better at writing. Get help from Jasper AI. Jasper AI is a powerful intelligence platform that can help you write amazing content in quicker time. Not only your content will be high quality, but also be keyword rich and optimized for SEO. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for Jasper trial today and get 10,000 credits free. I'll put the link in the description. Click the link and sign up for Jasper. It'll be worth it. Second is research skill. To be successful in affiliate marketing, research skills are essential. You need to find a product for your potential customers that are interested in, then determine which affiliate programs offer the best commission structure and support. In addition, you need to stay up to date on industry news and trends so that you can adjust your campaign as needed. Fortunately, research skills can be learned and honed with practice. By taking time to develop your research skill, you'll be well on your way to affiliate marketing success. So here are the few tips to help you get started with your research skill. First, start with a broad search. Your first starting research topic, it can be helpful to do a broad search on internet. This will give you an overview of what's available and help you narrow down your focus. Second, use multiple sources. Don't just rely on one source of information. Use multiple sources such as industry news, forums, and online directories. Third, keep up with trends. The affiliate marketing industry is constantly changing. Keeping up with latest trends so that you can adjust your campaign accordingly. Fourth, join an affiliate network. Joining an affiliate network such as ShareSale can be a great way to help you get started on exclusive deals. Zortage can also help you connect with other affiliate marketing, which can be a valuable source of information and support. 5. Practice makes perfect. Yes, the more you search, the better you become at it. So don't be afraid to practice your search skills on a variety of topics. By taking a time to develop your research skills, you'll be well on your way to affiliate marketing success. Now, I'll put a link for ShareSale in the description, so you can click on the link and become a part of the affiliate platform if you haven't joined that already. Moving along, number 3, organization skills. In addition to writing skill and research skill, affiliate marketer also need strong organization skill. As an affiliate marketer, you'll be responsible for many tasks, including creating and managing your website, conducting research, creating promotional materials, and more. You need to be able to juggle all these tasks and keep everything organized. You can also keep yourself organized as an affiliate marketer in few different ways. One way is to use a task manager or to-do list. This can all help you track all the tasks you need to complete daily. Another ways to stay organized is to create a schedule and stick to it. This will help you ensure you complete the task on time. If you're not organized, it'll be difficult to keep track of all the different aspects of your business. This can lead to missed deadlines, forgotten tasks, and ultimately decreased profit. The organization is a key to success as an affiliate marketer, so make sure you take time to develop strong organization skills. Moving along, the next skill is time management skills. Another important skills for affiliate marketing is time management. As an affiliate marketer, you need to manage your time effectively to complete your task and meet your deadline. This means being able to prioritize your tasks, set aside adequate time for each task, and avoid procrastination. If you can master these management skills, you'll be well on your way to success in affiliate marketing. One way to better management time is to create a daily or weekly schedule for yourself, then stick to it as much as possible. Make sure to include times for breaks, leisure activities so that you don't burn yourself out. It's also important to be flexible and willing to adjust your schedule as needed. If you struggle to stick to your schedule, try setting goals for each day or week. For example, rather than say I'll write 10 blog posts this week, commit to writing 2 to 3 blogs each day. Break down your goals into smaller pieces that can make seem more achievable and help you stay on track. Another helpful tip is to keep a time log. For 1 week, write down everything you did do another week and how long it takes. At the end of the week, review your time log and look a way to cut down on time wasting activities. For example, if you spend 2 hours each day browsing social media, try to limit it 30 minutes per day. By being aware of how are you spending your time, you can make adjustments to ensure achieving the time needed to be successful in affiliate marketing. Finally, one of the most important skills needed for affiliate marketing is marketing skills. As an affiliate marketer, you'll be responsible for promoting your affiliate products or services through various marketing channels, including social media, email marketing, pay-per-click advertising, and more. To succeed in this role, you need a strong marketing skill and you know how to reach your target audience effectively. If you're not already skilled in marketing, there are a number of resources you can use to learn more about this important aspect of affiliate marketing. Many books and online courses are available on marketing topics such as marketing search, copywriting, email marketing, pay-per-click advertising, and more. In addition, several marketing conferences and events are held each year that can provide valuable insight into latest marketing trends and techniques. By taking advantage of all these resources, you can develop skills necessary to succeed as an affiliate marketer. One great way to market yourself is by signing up for 15 seconds TikTok program. For only $1.99, you can get access to powerful marketing tool that will help you reach more business and people through TikTok. So don't hesitate to sign up today and start reaping the benefit of successful affiliate marketing. In conclusion, earning a commission through affiliate marketing is possible, but it's not as easy as slapping together a website and putting some ads. It takes dedication, hard work, and most importantly, the proper skill set. In this video, I've outlined 5 essential skills you'll be needing to be successful in affiliate marketing. Do you have what it takes? If you're serious about making money through affiliate marketing, you need to ensure you have the proper skill set. The 5 skills we outlined in this video are essential for success. Do your research, work hard, and never give up on your dreams. With the right attitude and skill set, you can achieve anything. If you're still watching this video, it means you agree with what I have to say and are enjoying this content. Why not subscribe to my channel and press bell for notification for all the forthcoming videos from this channel. I hope you enjoyed this video on 5 essential skills needed for affiliate marketing. Check out my next video if you're looking for a great video to help beginners affiliate marketer achieve business success. In it, I discuss the Legendary Marketer 15-Day Business Builder Challenge. Keep watching to learn more about how you can become successful as affiliate marketer with high-ticket offer. It's sure to be helpful, informative, and lots of fun. Now, the link is somewhere on this screen. Click the link and watch this video. Thanks for watching.